I don't think this is the right platform to discuss such questions, Rohan.
Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode of The Roadways. I am your host and your host, Rohan Devgan. Today we're tackling a topic that hits close to home for many women and men too. आज हम बात करेंगे और जानेंगे कि एक पैशनेट वर्किंग वुमेन और वर्किंग मदर में क्या अंतर है। ये दोनों शब्दों में क्या डिफरेंसेस हैं और हमारी सोसाइटी इन्हें कैसे देखती है। We'll be discussing this in detail with our guest who has seen both sides of the coin. Please welcome our guest for today, Akanksha Shah, who has an impressive career and is a mother too. Welcome, Akanksha.
Thank you, Rohan. I'm thrilled to be here and excited to share my journey so far. It is a very important topic, and I'm glad that we are having this conversation.
Absolutely, Akanksha. It's pretty great to have you here as well. And as I mentioned, that you have a pretty great career and you are a mother too. So you're balancing both absolutely and marvelously. So I would like to know कि आपका सफर कैसा था? What were the challenges before you became mother when you were just a working woman?
So I'll start from the start. I started my career as a data entry operator, where I was doing a part-time job, but that was my first job, and I was studying too. So I pursued my graduation, MBA, while working. So that point of time, I started enjoying my work, and I wanted to work with a reputed company where I hold an important position in the company. I wanted to be recognized. I wanted people to love me for my work and grow with the company. So thankfully, by the grace of God, I mean I've worked with reputed brands and company, and today I'm doing good.
Yeah, that's great to know. And you mentioned that you were working while you were studying as well, while you were doing graduation and post graduation.
हाँ जी.
And any specific reasons कि आप काम क्यों कर रहे थे साथ में पढ़ाई के साथ साथ?
So, like I come from a very humble background where we had a very amazing family business, which didn't do well, and therefore we all were broke, and then we all pulled ourselves together. We were all doing something or the other to support our family, and I wanted to continue with my education, so I started working to support my education as well.
No, that's really your hard work that you
Yeah.
completed your graduation, MBA, and moreover, what you wanted while you were doing all this. You thought कि मुझे ये सब करना है and I want to be recognized wherever I work, and you're doing that pretty well. Okay, now we come to the next part. So you said your career was going pretty well,
Yeah.
and then you became mother.
Yeah.
How did your life change after becoming mother? Were you still motivated to do the same kind of work that you were doing before? Were there any changes at workplace कि आप उतना effort नहीं डाल पा रही थी because now you have a baby too?
So, yes, I was enjoying my work. So definitely, I wanted to continue with my work. And when I was pregnant, so all of this thought used to come that how will I manage? Like, how will I manage with my baby and my work? Because I was at the prime. Like I was working really hard, and a lot of things were dependent on me. So yes, that pressure was there, and I used to think very negative at one point of time.
So there was fear कि
Yeah.
कैसे manage होगा and all that कि मैं कर पाऊंगी भी या नहीं कर
Yes,
पाऊंगी.
absolutely, it was there.
So did you discuss this with anyone?
Yes, I discussed with my husband. So I told him that this is what I think. कैसे होगा आगे, मैं कैसे कर पाऊंगी? Will I be a good mother? ये सारे fear I think हर
It's
एक
pretty normal.
हाँ माँ के लाइफ में आते हैं
जो
जब
भी
मतलब
काम
उनको
कर
अपने
रहा है,
करियर को सोचना है तो मेरे हस्बैंड ने बोला, आई मीन ही काउंसल्ड मी
Is he a counselor?
टू मी यस सो उन्होंने मुझे समझाया, उन्होंने बताया कि फैमिली इज देयर टू सपोर्ट मी. मेरी मदर इन लॉ थी, तो उन्होंने बोला वी ऑल आर देयर, आई मीन बेबी विल हैव अ सेफ प्लेस, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स उसकी दादी से ज़्यादा सेफ प्लेस कुछ नहीं हो सकता बेबी के लिए. सो आई थिंक
दादी प्लेड अ प्रीटी बिग रोल.
ऑफ कोर्स प्रीटी बिग रोल, बिकॉज मेरे को एक सेकंड के लिए भी ऐसा नहीं लगता था कि मैं बच्चे को छोड़ के जा रही हूँ कहीं और, यू नो, या
right.
किसी और के हाथों में, बिकॉज यू नो
हाँ,
दादी दादा ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से ज़्यादा बच्चे को कोई प्यार नहीं कर
हाँ यही
सकता.
सही कह रहे हैं. करेक्ट. सो वी नो कि हमारे यहाँ पे सिर्फ 6 months की मैटरनिटी लीव्स
Yeah.
ही मिलती हैं. तो आफ्टर दो 6 months, once your daughter was born, तो was it easy to leave her back home and go back to work?
Of course it is not. For any mother it is not.
नहीं, बट आपने प्रिपेयर तो किया होगा ना, मतलब आपको पता तो था ही कि yes,
No
after 6
matter how
months you
many
had-
times you prepare, no matter. I mean, when the time comes for action, I mean, you
Yeah.
are all teary while going to office. क्योंकि आपको, I mean, it is a mother guilt कह लो आप, जो भी है, मतलब ये अपने आप से आ जाता है.
but same
ये
goes for
separation
work guilt
anxiety
as well.
बच्चे से पहले I think mother को होती है.
बट आपने बोला मदर गिल्ट, तो इट गोज सेम फॉर द वर्क कल्चर एज वेल, राइट? तो अगर आप माँ का फर्ज प्रॉपर निभा रही हैं, तो सेम वे में समवेयर डू यू फील दैट यू नेग्लेक्टेड वर्क एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम?
I said guilt, but I never neglected. I said guilt, वो guilt के घूट पी के आपको ऑफिस जाना होता है, and then I believe that gradually you start balancing it. Gradually आपको समझ में आता है कि कैसे करना है, धीरे धीरे आपको उस चीज़ की आदत पड़ती है, you know, और आप उस चीज़ को बैलेंस करना सीखते हो. And I think the key to it is, you know, how you are balancing it, because काम हमेशा रहेगा. Kids, you know, will not always remain kids.
Yeah.
It is important to have your career. I
Yes.
would say, if not career, I mean, I would not say कि जिनका career नहीं है वो मतलब they are not doing anything. If not career, I mean some activity or some, you know, ambition that they are pursuing to. So
आपने बोला कि आप सब कुछ मैनेज कर रही हैं अभी. फॉर नाउ यू आर एबल टू मैनेज योर वर्कलोड एंड यू आर हैप्पीली able to give time to your daughter as well.
Yeah.
So how would you describe yourself better, a passionate working woman or a working mother?
well, they say that it is not easy to be a working mother.
Yeah.
You have to willingly able to screw up at every level, so that's what I'm doing best today.
but ये तो part of life है ना कहीं कुछ तो effect होगा ही, because it is a big change in your life,
right.
new person is coming into your life, तो थोड़ा effect इधर उधर तो manage करना ही पड़ेगा.
Of
that is how you balance life.
yeah. Of course, I mean, ये तो है ही. अगर आपके लाइफ में कोई, I mean, कोई नहीं, आपका अपना पार्ट आ रहा है,
Yeah.
you know, in form of baby, where, you know, you have, I mean, this is the top priority, top notch priority in your life. और आपका career somewhere is equally important. और this is the reason why, you know, I didn't leave my career, because it is an important aspect of my life.
Yeah. तो ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि आपको आपकी बेटी को अकेले छोड़ के जाना पड़ा हो फॉर वर्क पर्पसेस मोर देन अ डे, मतलब ऑफिस जाना वापस आना नहीं, मतलब उससे ज़्यादा लंबा टाइम हो?
हाँ जी हुआ है ऐसा. मेरे को एक कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए जाना पड़ा था गोवा, दो इट इज़ अ वेरी हैप्पी प्लेस टू बी, बट मतलब मेरी डॉटर को मैं पहली बार, जब वो 1.5 साल की थी, पहली बार मेरे को छोड़ के जाना पड़ा था उसे उधर. तो इट वॉज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. और एक इंसिडेंट ऐसा हुआ था दैट वी वर हैविंग अ गाला डिनर, सारी टीम थी एंड आई वॉज द HR. एंड उधर एक छोटी सी बच्ची आई रोते हुए, एंड शी वॉज लुकिंग फॉर हर पेरेंट्स इन द रेस्टोरेंट. और उसको देखते ही मतलब मुझे ऐसा हुआ कि मतलब माई डॉटर इज हियर एंड यू नो शी इज लुकिंग फॉर मी, एंड आई गॉट टीयर्स. एग्जैक्टली, आई गॉट टीयर्स इन माई आईज. लेकिन I had to maintain the professionalism as well. I mean, though nobody would have asked a question, but for me, you know, I didn't cry there, and you know, I just went to the washroom, and there was my fellow, you know, colleague who kind of understood. You know, she was watching me, and she kind of understood, and then she consoled me that it is okay, it happens. So yeah, I mean, it was very difficult for me because I never used to have, like, for 5 days मैंने अपनी डॉटर के साथ बिल्कुल भी मतलब फेस टू फेस वो नहीं किया था, वीडियो कॉल नहीं किया था. और मुझे क्योंकि ये था कि अगर मैं उससे वीडियो कॉल करूंगी एंड इफ शी सेज मम्मा आप कहाँ हो, और मेरे को बोले कि कहाँ चले गए या कुछ भी एक्सप्रेशन दे, तो मतलब इट विल बी वेरी हार्ड फॉर
It
मी.
will be very difficult.
But then I realized one thing, that why it is, I mean, though those were the true feelings, but I think somewhere those guilt were, those guilts are feed by the society as well. क्योंकि
अच्छा।
सोसाइटी में जब मैं जा रही थी, मैं लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रही थी कि मेरे को जाना है, बाहर जाना है, जनरली यू शेयर दैट
Yeah.
देयर इज अ कॉन्फ्रेंस हैपनिंग, वी आर गोइंग, एंड गोवा कॉन्फ्रेंसेस आर जनरली द कूलर वंस, सो पीपल वर आस्किंग मी, इतने छोटे बच्चे को छोड़ के चले जाओगे?
कितनी छोटी थी आपकी बेटी?
1.5 साल की थी.
1.5 साल की थी।
तो लोग मुझसे पूछ रहे थे, इतने छोटे बच्चे को छोड़ के चले जाओगे, वो कंफर्टेबल है आपके बिना? सो व्हाई दीज क्वेश्चंस being asked to a women, why it is not asked to men who are working? I am not saying
it is a very great question, I would say.
Yeah.
क्योंकि अगर यहीं पे ऐसा सिनेरियो होता कि उसके पापा को जाना होता,
एग्जैक्टली,
तो मम्मा है पीछे से आराम से संभाल लेंगी, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। कोई नहीं पूछता है, ना कोई सोसाइटी वाला आता पूछने के लिए
राइट,
कि भाई पापा कहाँ गए हैं और पापा क्यों जा रहे हैं इतनी छोटी बच्ची। So
Right.
this is the, I'll be honest, this is the hypocrisy of our Indian society.
ट्रू.
But I believe we are evolving slowly and gradually, as आपने ही बोला कि he has always helped you.
These questions were not asked by my family, surprisingly. Nobody asked in my family, but there are other people out of family जिनके साथ मैं शेयर कर रही थी, तो उन लोगों को लग रहा था कि अभी बच्ची छोटी है, कैसे जाओगे? And I'll tell you, this is always be a whether, I mean, this can be different. Some mothers leave their child when they are 3 months, 2 months, or maybe a year or 5 years maybe. It is always the first time जब माँ को कहीं ना कहीं अपने लिए स्टैंड लेने के लिए या कोई काम करने के लिए आगे निकलना पड़ता है. So it is okay to fulfill both of your duties. This is what I
Yeah.
feel, and I've learned from the great women I work with.
Thank you, Akanksha. That was pretty honest and impressive thought from yourself. अब हम सोसाइटी की बात कर ही रहे हैं, तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि आपने सुना ही होगा, देयर इज अ फंडा कॉल्ड सुपर मॉम. What are your thoughts about it?
So, I believe this super mom concept is very damaging. It's a myth, and by giving a tag of super mom, we are imposing few things on mothers which should not be there. I
Yeah.
mean, everybody has flaws, and we should accept it.
Do you want to be known as super mom?
No, I don't want to be because I am not.
Yeah.
It is not that कि जो मैं अपने बच्चे को दे रही हूँ और जो मैं उसके लिए कर रही हूँ वो हमेशा सही हो. मैं भी लोगों को देख के सीखती हूँ. कभी कभी मैं अपनी गलतियों से भी सीखती हूँ.
Correct.
So it is fine.
Yeah, but society ये चाहती है कि आप, मतलब not exactly you, but I'm saying in general, कि जो ये सुपर मॉम है कि वो सब कुछ अच्छे से करे, अपने
Right.
बच्चों को भी संभाले, अपने हस्बैंड का भी ध्यान रखे, अपनी फैमिली का भी ध्यान रखे, काम पर भी जाए, सोशल लाइफ में भी एक्टिव रहे. वो भी नहीं हो तो उस पर भी नाराज हो जाते हैं.
True. इसीलिए I say this
after all, I believe every woman is also a human being and they should also understand this.
I agree.
कब तक यही सब चलाते रहेंगे?
True.
We should move ahead. I know world is evolving, but it takes time. Hopefully होगा बहुत जल्दी, बहुत कुछ बदलेगा. If you don't mind, I have a little personal question for you. आपने कभी while you were pregnant या जब आपकी बेटी हो गई, मतलब she was there, कभी ऐसा सोचा कि नहीं यार सब कुछ छोड़ देती हूँ, let me just be there for my daughter? कभी ऐसे थॉट्स आए आपके दिमाग में?
नहीं, मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे कभी थॉट्स नहीं आए, क्योंकि when I started working or when I started pursuing my MBA, I remember my mother told me that मैं तुझे इस लेवल पे सपोर्ट इसीलिए कर रही हूँ so that you always be working, always be independent, no matter what. She told me that tomorrow you will be married and you will have a kid, you will have kids then, so but you should be independent, ready for the future, क्योंकि बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं और और बच्चे and she said when you'll be working you'll be able to take care of them in a better way in terms of finance them for every little things they want. क्योंकि as I told you, we had a humble background जहाँ हमें थोड़ी तकलीफें होती थी अपनी ख्वाहिशें पूरी करने के लिए. So जो challenges हम लोगों ने देखे, she didn't want us to see that. She always told me that both parents, or both like partners should be working so that they can support each other, and this is what we do today. Me and my husband, we see that we have grown with each other, age wise, or professionally, or family wise. I mean, we have always supported each other, and therefore this idea never came across in my mind
कि मतलब जॉब तो करते ही रहना है.
जॉब हमेशा था, मतलब ये था कि मे बी आई माइट नॉट बी दैट प्रोग्रेसिव इन टर्म्स ऑफ, शायद उस साल और आने वाले 2 साल मैं प्रमोशन में अपने कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लूँगी जस्ट टू टेक इट ईजी, बट आई विल
So
नेवर
मतलब
quit my
nothing
job.
changed even after your daughter was born. Nothing changed. You are still aspiring for higher growth,
Right,
and
right.
you still want to keep succeeding in your life.
I mean, yes, my spirit has not changed, but a lot of things have changed. I mean, once you have kids, I mean, career-wise, I would say, but personal life, I mean, it is like upside down. And
It becomes very difficult when there's a small kid in your house. You don't get time to meet your friends as well.
True.
Life becomes difficult, but that is the fun part, right? You're getting a
Right.
newborn baby at your home.
Right.
That becomes your life. You
Yeah.
both are more happy.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, this reminds me of a story. अभी आपने अपनी मदर के बारे में बताया तो मुझे याद आया. My mother always has a regret. मतलब वो बोलती हैं जब भी हम कभी बैठते हैं साथ में and we discuss past life उनकी, कि जब उनकी मैरिज वगैरह हुई, she always wanted to work after her marriage, but my family, my dad, they mentioned कि सब कुछ तो है, क्या ज़रूरत है जॉब करने की. she is a graduate. तो मतलब that's one regret, and I feel कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था. We should, everyone should let all women pursue their dreams, aspirations. So what do you think about it? I know it is in the past, maybe तब इतनी society modern नहीं
हाँ
थी,
जी.
but
सोसाइटी मॉडर्न नहीं थे, और मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि उस टाइम पे बहुत सारे एवेन्यूज़ नहीं थे जो आज अवेलेबल हैं. एंड and I would not define working mothers or working women, or pursuing their career to only those who are wearing formal suit and going for a meeting or going to offices. There are a lot of women, out of my surprise, when we see today, who don't even show their face and post their cooking videos, and they are making money out of it.
Instagram, YouTube,
Right,
yeah.
and they're independent, they're no less than working mothers or working women.
Yeah.
So मतलब टाइम बहुत बदल गया है. काफ़ी
Correct.
सारे जो औरतें हैं वो कपड़े अपैरल्स बेचती हैं,
Right.
घर पे बैठे बैठे वो अपनी फैमिली भी रन कर रही हैं. कई तो सिंगल मदर्स हैं जो इसी तरीके से अपने बच्चों को भी देख रही हैं और अपना काम भी आगे कर रही हैं. सो हमने
The
बहुत
social
प्रोग्रेस
media-
किया है.
Yeah, the social media has actually come like a blessing for us
Yeah.
and all these women too. We see a lot of videos and everything where they are doing different kind of
Right.
stuff and helping their family. And as you mentioned, single mothers, they are helping themselves as well,
हाँ जी.
and making sure their children are getting the education that they need.
Yeah.
Coming to the next question, so as you are a working mother and a passionate working professional as well, you make sure कि you're taking care of your daughter, you make sure you're taking care of your husband and his needs, you make sure कि office भी effect ना हो, you're still aspiring for those goals, then you have to sleep as well. आपको कब टाइम मिलता है अपने लिए? मतलब 24 hours too less. मतलब कैसे आप अपने लिए टाइम कैसे निकालते हैं just for yourself?
अभी तो मेरी डॉटर बहुत छोटी है. अभी तो ऑनेस्ट आंसर इज मुझे टाइम नहीं मिलता है.
अच्छा.
मतलब अगर मैं ये सोचूं
You're not irritated at all?
I
how,
am.
how old is she?
She's 3.5 years old.
3.5. So मतलब last 3.5 years से आपको अपने लिए टाइम नहीं मिल पाया है.
नहीं, जितना मतलब मिलता है, जैसे कभी अगर मैं चली जाऊं, लेकिन जो एक मतलब आपको होता है ना कि हर हफ्ते में 2-3 दिन आपको पहले तो रोज का आपको टाइम की आदत थी,
करेक्ट.
अब ऐसे होता है तो वो टाइम आई डोंट सी कि मिलता है. एंड समवेयर आई हैव मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड माई सेल्फ नाउ, बट अर्लियर काफ़ी फ्रस्ट्रेशंस थी. तो आई थिंक देयर कम्स द पार्ट ऑफ योर पार्टनर, यू नो, जो अगेन कि आपको संभाल सके उस टाइम पे. एंड दे आई मीन दैट्स हाउ इट शोज कि आपका पार्टनर कितना सपोर्टिव है, क्योंकि दे विल अंडरस्टैंड वाई यू आर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, दे विल अंडरस्टैंड यू नो कि आपको भी टाइम मिलना चाहिए. You know, like today I'm sitting here and it's been a while, you
Yeah.
know, so my husband is there and he's taking care of my daughter. So that is a
Correct.
classic example.
Correct.
So this is my space, you know, I get to share my story because he's there to
So
support
this is
me.
your me time after 3.5 years.
not 3.5 years, ऐसा नहीं है. मैं I go for you know, girls day out, I go
Yeah.
for, you know, I used to go for used to go out with my colleagues जब मैं रेगुलर ऑफिस जाती थी. नाउ आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, बट जब पहले जाती थी ऑफिस आई यूज्ड टू गो आउट. ऐसा कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं था मेरे ऊपर. बट आप, क्योंकि यू आर अ पेरेंट, आई वुड नॉट से ओनली मदर, बिकॉज यू आर अ पेरेंट, क्योंकि इट इज both responsibility.
Correct.
You would like to, you know, share some time with your daughter, son, or like your kids.
Correct. You just mentioned work from home. So आप घर से काम कर रही हैं अभी.
हाँ जी.
And your daughter is always there.
Yeah, I
So
mean she is there.
Does it become more difficult for you to work in your working hours because she's around, or like how, or is it difficult when you go to work and you're not able to see her? What is more difficult?
आई मीन अगर मैं अभी करंट उसकी बात करूँ, समटाइम्स आई फील दैट यू नो ऑफिस होना चाहिए था थोड़ा. बस दूर जाओ घर से और मतलब थोड़ा जस्ट चिट चैट विद योर ऑफिस कोलीग्स, हैव सम
Is this the
कॉफी.
frustration coming out of you?
Kind of. Why not? I am allowed to, you know, share my thoughts even if I'm frustrated. So ये कभी sometimes I feel like that, but most of the times I feel good that I'm there. I can see all her नौटंकीज that she's मतलब क्योंकि उसने नई नई चीज़ें she has started doing. So वो देखना अच्छा लगता है. And while I am working, I have to be focused on my work because I cannot compromise that as well.
नहीं तो next promotion delay हो जाएगा.
Yeah, sometimes exactly. So sometimes what happens that, you know, I am on a call, she comes and she says, Mama, I want to say hi. And I remember once I was talking to my manager and I thought I have blocked the door, but she opened it and she came inside and she's, Mama, I want to say hi. And out of my surprise, my manager say, hi, who's there? And I was like, this is my daughter, because I was about to shush her and say go out, but you know, so I'm really, it was a very pleasant experience that companies are also evolving. They know that you're working from home. Correct. They know your family will be around.
Not everyone gets that kind of a manager, so you're lucky to have a manager like that.
I believe the company as well, but yeah, sometimes there are some important conversation when we don't want her to be around.
Yeah, right.
So I mean, thankfully, you know, like me and my partner, we support each other and make sure that, you know, she's engaged enough to know not go inside the room.
Okay. Yes, you're right, Akanksha. Companies are getting more employee-centric, and they are also taking pretty good care of their female employees. Are you guys going to have a second child?
I don't think this is the right platform to discuss such questions, Rohan.
Oh, you got me. I thought कि ऐसा कौन सा मैंने offending question पूछ लिया कि आप ऐसे behave कर रहे हो.
Yeah, I mean, I get to hear this question a lot these days, but and I want to.
But I am not from your society, man. इतना खतरा. I thought अभी सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था एकदम से.
Right. So, to answer that question, I would say that this is not in our cards as of now. So, but let's see what future has hold for us, and we'll accept it with our open arms.
Cool. अभी तो बहुत सारी बातें कर ली हमने आपके मदरहुड पे और आपके करियर से रिलेटेड. Apart from career and family oriented Akanksha Shah, what else do you like? What is Akanksha outside of these two things?
I mean, kind of hobbies. If I talk about, so I like, you know, cooking. I love,
Okay.
you know, I love spending time with my friends. they are they're like family only. And I mean, I cannot go away from my family. So, like, all my relatives, my cousins, I love spending time with them.
Okay.
Honestly, हम लोग की फैमिली इतनी बड़ी है, और वी आर सो एक्साइटेड टू मीट ईच अदर, और अभी इतनी शादियां होती रहती है ऑलमोस्ट हर साल फैमिली में, कि हम लोग को ज़्यादा ट्रैवल करने का भी टाइम नहीं मिलता. So, but that is my happy place, or we love going there, or I love spending time with them. So, yeah.
So outside your family as well, you are a family person.
Outside my family, like me, my husband, and my daughter. So, like, my family is my happy place, which is like my cousins, my relatives.
So you're basically the family star.
Yes, I am. That I am.
Thank you very much, Akanksha. It was a pretty engraving conversation. Thank you for sharing all your thoughts and with an open mind. I'm pretty sure our listeners will be able to relate to this conversation. Thank you again.
And thank you for having me here. I really enjoyed this conversation. Like, really enjoyed tricking you.
That was the best part, I guess.
And I really hope that society gets some message out of it, and be able to implement in their own family, or matlab in their partner's life. I just want to say that please be supportive of each other. I mean, not only to women but to men also, or not only to men but to women also. I mean, आप लोग साथ में तभी आगे बढ़ सकते हो, with a kid or without a kid, when you're supporting each other. So, yeah, that's the key.
And with that, we conclude today's episode of The Roadways. Whether you are a passionate working woman, a working mother, or both, remember, your story matters. There is no right or wrong way to live your life. Until next time, keep driving on your unique roadways and keep inspiring others. Lastly, guys, do remember to follow and subscribe our page on YouTube. Keep the notifications on, and we would love to hear from you in the comment section. Do share your feedback so that we know what kind of content you guys are loving and what more we can do to make it better for you guys. Also, we have our Instagram page. Our Instagram handle is at the Roadways Podcast. I repeat, at the Roadways Podcast. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Good night and Shabba Khair.